Here I'm going to demonstrate a hip CAR in a quadruped position. This is going to really emphasize hip abduction and hip extension. It'll also really put emphasis on the internal rotation part of this hip CAR. So if you want to specifically emphasize any of those directions, any of those ranges of motion, the quadruped hip CAR is a great place to start. So you're going to go on your hands and knees. Make sure that your toes are tucked in underneath your ankle. From here, we're going to be working the left leg in this example. You're going to bring that hip into as much flexion as you can go, so knee to chest. Then you're going to open up that hip, making sure that the actual pelvis is still facing down towards the floor. So I'm all the way into as much abduction as I can get from this hip. Then I'm going to start internally rotating, trying to drive my foot up towards the ceiling and into extension at the same time, bringing it back into that midline. From here, I'm going to reverse the direction. So from here, I'm going to pretend like there's a wall or a fire hydrant that I'm trying to go over. I'm going to pull that knee all the way up to my armpit, or as close as I can get, and back into that original position. Go into extension, and then repeat. Perform these CARs for the amount of time that is prescribed or the amount of reps with the prescribed intensity.